Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos in WeVideo. So you see on my screen I have nothing on the timeline yet, but notice there's 2 tracks of video and you can add more tracks if you have other things like B-roll or other overlaid graphics. So I'm going to put my first 3 shots of my ABC video, or A to Z. So you gotta wait till you see the green highlight. So there's my A, my B shot, and I renamed these after I inserted them. They have these weird numbers when you import them. After you import, you can rename them here in the project edit dashboard by just right-clicking and then renaming it. The other thing that's really helpful is you notice that video has both audio and video tracks. So if you want to remove the audio, you can double click on it, go to the audio or volume, and then you can just mute it, or you can just turn it down. I'm just going to keep it muted. The second shot has some interesting sound, or no, one of these shots. So I want to keep that, and I'll mute this one. So go ahead and just mute that. Save changes. So now I'm ready to add the text so the viewers could understand what we're looking at. This one is pretty obvious, but just for consistency, I'm going to have the text overlay on every shot. So I clicked on this text menu. I'm just going to use a static text, drag it into the timeline. I want it to show up like halfway into the shot and then ends right at the end of that shot. So there's nothing there yet except this sample menu, sample text. So I double click on this text clip, and then now I can change it. So this is my A, and I'm going to change this style or the font to make something like fun looking. I want to have some kind of dark color since it's a little bit bright in the background. And then adjust the size. You can even manually type the number in. And I can either move it this way, or I can use the X and Y positions. This looks about right. And then you can even add a background to that so you could see it better. But that's a little bit too much. Set it back to transparent, which is this here. Okay. And then save. Okay. So now it should play with the titles appearing. Okay, if I wanted to do some effects, I can also add a fade or have it move in position or have it scale up or down. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, so that's how you add text. My recommendation is to lay out all of the video clips, and then it's easier for you to add these text overlays.